Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a foot pedal parking brake. This will be a driving tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a foot pedal parking brake on this pickup truck, and I'm going to show you and tell you how to use this one, as well as a slight variation that you might find on other vehicles. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, that is where the gas and the brake pedal are. And if you look over here, that is an additional pedal off to the side, close to the driver's side door. And if I push it down with my left foot, it will engage the parking brake. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my left foot and I'm going to push it down and release it. I'm going to bring the camera a bit up so that you can see exactly what I'm seeing. So then push it down and remove your foot. Now that it is in that downward position, the parking brake is engaged, okay? When I want to release the parking brake, there's actually a lever right here that's labeled with a parking brake symbol. So I'm going to pull this lever and you'll see that it will be released. There you go. So to engage this parking brake, I'm going to place my foot on that pedal, push it down, and remove my foot. So I release it and remove my foot. To disengage the parking brake, I am going to pull on this lever. Now, the only variation that I've ever known of, and I've only seen this when I was much younger, when I was a kid before I had my license, was that on certain parking brakes, you push it down like that to engage it, and then to disengage it, you push it down and release it again. And when you push it down and release it the second time, it will pop back up. But in this case, I have a lever here. So for this one, I pull the lever to release it. But on other ones that I remember seeing as a kid, you would push it down like that to engage it, and then to release it, you would push it and release it again, and it would sort of pop back up. But like I said, with this specific one, you pull the lever. And like I said, with the other option, I can't attest to ever having used it, but I remember as a kid that my parents had vehicles, to the best of my knowledge and memory, that was the way that you released it. Like I said, but I was much younger, so that's just the best of my memory. Please correct me if I'm wrong on that alternative type, but that's how you use this specific one. And then if you have a vehicle that has the other type that I was mentioning, please drop a comment below, or if I'm wrong about it, let me know as well. Just because, like I said, I'm judging off my memory, but that's how to do it with this specific one. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.